Hello everyone, my name is Mira. Today I'm going to read the story is Then the Tenth Man, page 1. Then the 10th man is on the pen. Then is a cat mad. Page 2. Dan runs from the pen. He runs from man. Page 3. Nan is a pet sad. She puts up an egg. Page 4. The man sees Nan's egg. Can he see Dan? The 10th man. Page 5. The man sees Dan. Then the 10th man runs from the man. Page 6. Can the man get Dan? No, he cannot. Man is sad. The fox can see Dan. Can the fox get Dan? Page 8. Nan can get Dan. Dan is not mad. Dan is not sad. Oh yeah. Thank you for watching.